Guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I am going to show you my note taking format. So in my last video I had shown you my note taking process. So in that particular video I have talked about my personal notes. So today I want to tell you that how I write in my personal notes as such. So let's start the video. So if you guys have watched my notebook or loose leaf paper video, then you know that I use loose leaf paper for making my notes. So I will be showing you how I take notes on loose leaf paper. So on the left hand side of the page, on the left hand margin, I put the date. Then on the center, I write the chapter name and the chapter. I put the page number on the right hand margin of the page. And then I start taking my notes. So first I write the main heading, and under the main heading I take notes in bullet points, because the bullet points are very much easy to remember than an entire paragraph, and they are easily understandable as well, because you read the paragraph and transform it into your own sentence. If this particular point have any supporting idea, then I just draw an arrow and mention the supporting idea. Sometimes some points have some important words, so we may need to include the definition or any particular topic, any particular concept related to that word in our notes. So for that purpose I will use one separate color pen, that is a black gel pen, to include definition or any other important concept related to the important word. Now if this text has some examples, I just write the examples, and then I give the subheading and then the points of the subheading. After one main heading or one main topic, one main concept is over, I put one line using a pencil and a ruler to separate both the main headings. Then I continue with any other main heading. And this is the simple note taking format. And yes, for diagrams, I draw the diagram with the help of a pencil, and then outline it with the help of a sketch pen. Don't worry about making mistakes or if your lines don't overlap, because you can erase it. And then I label it using a black ball pen. So guys, this is my entire process of note taking. This is essentially how I take notes from my textbook, and while revising I just use one color highlighter per chapter. I just draw two lines alongside the chapter name and chapter number. I highlight the main headings subheadings, as I don't use any color pen. Then I highlight any important words, any important points, any important terms, and then my notes are ready. So this is an overview of my note in the format I showed you. So I write the main headers. I haven't highlighted it because I haven't revised this part yet. So I have added important information related to this particular word here. I have added extra supporting ideas here, and the examples. So you can see my notes are in the same format. For diagrams, so this is the diagram. I have first drawn it using a pencil and then outlined it using a sketch pen and then have colored it. I don't usually color my diagrams, but since it was a very extensive diagram that needed coloring, else it would be a bit difficult to understand what is what, if it makes sense. That's why I colored it. I don't usually color my diagram, so there are very few diagrams that I color. So yeah. So guys, if you happen to enjoy this video, then I think you will also enjoy my previous video. So it was also a note taking video, and the link will be provided in the description box. If you guys have any other video ideas, then do mention it in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.